Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage and episode 2, working on Gigantor. Today, we already started this morning. We got the rear part of the frame where we took the leaf spring hangers off, and we got the rivets plug welded and sanded smooth as if it wasn't there. We'll hit those with 120 when we after we remove the factory shock mount here and the front leaf spring mounts. Once we get this under its weight and we can move the lift arm to underneath the frame where it belongs. That's the only point we could get it to with how close the arms were to the bottom of the frame. So yeah, next we're gonna mummy wrap the mammoth guards. All of these are spinning, so we gotta grind the heads off and then pop these off and then pop out the nutserts, and we'll use the better nutsert tool to install them that comes with the mammoth guards. I prefer the one that it's an actual rivet like gun tool. So alright guys, let's get started here and continue working on Gigantor. Alright guys, all done for the day. We got the right side rear shock mount and Plan B fab shock mount cut off. We only cut off the Plan B one because we're going to be doing a coilover and a bypass. But we're looking really good. Got that sanded up. Hit this with 120 next, and that'll be a good surface for us to paint to. Just had a meeting with Michael, the owner of Gigantor. He flew up from Florida to come check it out and meet with me and hang out for the weekend and kind of just enjoy some shop time. Set up the new ride height. He's super happy about it. He's like, beautiful, this is exactly what I wanted. Door handles at the perfect height, you know, reach up to very easily. That'll be nice. The step area, you know, with the amp research, it won't be so bad to hike up a knee and kneel on it. So yeah, we're looking really good here guys. We'll catch you tomorrow, and we're going to continue working on Gigantor, and we're going to get the left side rear shock mount, OE shock mount, and the Plan B fab mount off, and the frame prepared for us to put on our Cougar House Fab dual coilover / bypass mount in the rear. Then we'll move on to the cradle, like I said in our last episode. So alright guys, see you tomorrow.